Yoga kere ateker, ekirorangi Amusolo Pauline Leizel, alomtong tororo, atutubek nenyaritai apokor, itemela. Did you know that Iteso has 7 major clans, and these clans were divided into distinct roles that contributed to the wellness of the community. They worked seamlessly together, showcasing strength in teamwork and collaboration. Allow me to tell you more about these clans, starting off with my clan, the Ikaruwok. The Ikaruwok are warriors and leaders. They are known for their bravery and triumphant spirits. They made sounds of victory whenever they won battles, and they are the main reason why Teso has the biggest pieces of land in eastern Uganda. The Irarak. The Irarak are food gatherers and hunters. They provided subsistence to the community. Their women excelled in fish farming and fruit gathering. Ikatekok. These are mediators and administrators. They resolve conflicts over land, water, and grazing pastures. Their name comes from an Iteso word, Atekokin, meaning conflict resolution. Ikomolo. This clan is believed to have originated from intermarriages between the Iteso people and the Luo ethnic group. They believed in predicting the future and offering spiritual wisdom. Inomu. These are traditional medicine practitioners specializing in orthopedic treatment using wild medicinal plants. Their expertise in bone and muscle care is invaluable. The Igoria clan. Their sign is the Igoria bird that builds very nice nests. They are artisans and builders skilled in carpentry and crafts. Iworopom. Diviners and religious leaders responsible for praising the gods. They played a crucial role in the Iteso spirituality, honoring the gods like Amongin, the god of rain. Today, the people of Teso continue to celebrate their rich culture and heritage. I am my culture, Emoria Koliai.